Hey, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, as you saw the title of this video is going to be another unboxing of a new cosplay. So I ordered this Spiderman Integrated suit from Printcostume, so shout out to them. Right here, I have a 3D printed face shell with lenses that I 3D printed recently. And the reason why it has tape on it is because some parts of the face shell is a little bit rough, and I don't want the rough parts to damage the suit. So because it's not sanded yet, and I'm probably gonna sand it later on, but for now I just put tape on it because I don't want the suit to get damaged. But anyway, let's put this aside. And here it is, guys. Just got this in the mail, so let's open this up so I can show you what it looks like. Alright, so inside the bag is another bag, and it comes in this little nice bag. I don't know how well you can see this, but it says Printcostume. So let's man, this is like heavier than I thought it would be, because I don't remember my other suits being this heavy. I think it's because I added Kung Fu shoes. Last time I got Kung Fu shoes was, I believe, from my Spider-Man Far From Home suit, like a couple of years ago. But let's open this up. Okay, so here it is. Whoa, look at that. So let me just take it out of this bag. And it's nicely folded. I can feel the Kung Fu shoes. So let's do this. Wow, look at that. So this is the sole. There's a Kung Fu shoes inside. And this is what the front looks like. And of course, I got eye holes on them right here. And we got the mask zipper. And of course, I chose the U-shaped zipper because it's less visible. But I mean, there's a line anyway. I mean, it's not really that noticeable, but I always choose a U-shaped zipper because in my opinion it's a lot better. I find it easier to get the vertical zipper though, but I don't know, I just prefer U-shaped zippers because I believe the suits that they use in the movie are U-shaped. I mean, I don't know, I just like U-shaped zippers. So this is what the back looks like. Got that nice spider logo. Alright, so I'm going to put this on, so I'll be right back. Alright, so what I ended up doing is I actually cut the eye holes a little bit bigger. As you can see right here, both eye holes. I think I cut the right side a little too big, but honestly that's okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end up taping this to the face shell, which is right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape it on here and here and here and here. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. I actually taped the mask to the face shell. Let me try to show you. It's going to be hard to see because the tape is black and the face shell is also black, but yes, it is taped to the face shell. That way it doesn't show the face shell, because I remember last time I didn't do this and then it ended up showing part of the, like the shell was like kind of peeking out a little. So this is what I do to make sure that like the hole doesn't get exposed outside of the lens. So here's the lens. I'm gonna put it like this. and the other lens. And there's a little, that thing kind of bothers me a little, but okay. Anyway, just for the sake of the video, I'm gonna just continue on, not worry about the wrinkles and stuff. Maybe for the con, but for now, just so we can get this video going. Here it is, the face shell. I think it looks great, so I'm gonna put it on right now. All right, guys. So I have the suit like halfway in. I highly recommend wearing a compression shirt, just to like compress your body, I guess. I don't know, this is just what I do. It's completely optional, but you know, it's something I do personally. It's up to you if you want to do it or not. But let me put on the suit now. Man, this is really tight. It's been a while since I wore a Spider-Man suit, and it's I completely forgot how tight it gets. Alright guys, so this is probably the hardest part. The back, zipping it down. Honestly, if you are with a friend at a con or wherever you're gonna wear this, I highly recommend that you get them to help zip you down, because it's really hard to do this on your own. Alright, so this is probably the best I can do for now. It's really difficult to put it on my own, but when I do go to a con, I'm probably just gonna get one of my friends to zip it up for me, or zip it down, I guess. Alright, so now I'm gonna put on the mask. Alright, so oh wow, this is more muffled than I thought it would be, but yeah guys, this is how it looks. I'm gonna be showing you guys clips of me at Toronto Comic Con, because it's gonna be really hard to film here in my room. I don't really have enough space, so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys clips of that. But yeah, I just want to show you guys the front logo. Looks so good. I feel like I'm like too out of shape. I feel like this is too stretched out, but honestly, it's whatever. I don't really care too much. Hopefully you can see the back, and hopefully you can hear me as well. That's the back logo. And also, the Kung Fu shoes are actually really difficult to put on, so I'm just warning you guys, if any of you guys plan to buy a suit like this, and if you guys plan to get Kung Fu shoes, it's going to be really difficult, so I'm just warning you guys. Alright guys, so I am just going to be showing some clips of me wearing this suit at a con. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed making it. If you did, make sure to give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out a lot. If you want to follow me on my socials, I'll put them on the screen, and I'll leave links to them in the description below. And if you want to join my Discord server, I'll put the link to it in the description as well. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Enjoy the rest of these clips.